Hello everybody, and welcome to this short video on one-way streets and going down the wrong way on a one-way street. So if you're new to driving or you're learning to drive, then this is quite important, because after you pass the driving test, it's up to you to make sure you go the correct way down a one-way street. If you don't, then you're probably liable for a fine and possibly penalty points, and if you're involved in an accident, then you could get taken to court for dangerous driving or careless driving. So ahead of us in about 30 seconds is going to be a crossroads, and beyond the crossroads is the one-way street. And remember, the one-way street sign's got the blue signs with the white arrows on. So what we're going to come across when we get closer is a red car going the opposite direction down a one-way street. And surprisingly, it happens quite often. But like I say, as a driver, it's up to you to make sure it doesn't happen to you. So there's the red car going down the wrong way, one-way street. There's the one-way street signs, the blue ones on the right and left ahead of us. That's a qualified driver, that. So it happens, and what you've got to keep saying to yourself is, try to not let it happen to you. And if we look at the other end of the one-way street, what we're going down now, we can see at this point here that there's no edge signs there on the right and left as you enter, and even paint on the ground. So just be aware of that. So this is the end of the one-way street again. We're giving way to pedestrians crossing, and on the left-hand side there's going to be a white van. See, he's turning down a one-way street. That's a qualified driver again, and they're both, you know, when I look to them, they're not young people, they're probably people in the 30s and 40s. So it's up to you when you're driving around an area, especially an area that you don't know, to be aware of possible dangers of going down one-way streets the wrong way. So look out for no edge signs, look out for one-way street signs, making sure you're going the right way, the right direction, and be safe on the roads. Take care, everybody. I hope this short video has helped you to understand that people make mistakes, but you try not to make them mistakes and you won't get a fine. Take care. Safe driving.